Hi, I'm John Suh, Vice President and Founding Director of New Horizons Studio. We're a young team at Hyundai Motor Group, having been established in early 2020. At New Horizons Studio, our mission is to develop products for future customers whose needs include traveling over remote, inaccessible, or complex terrain. We believe that the combination of legged robotics and wheels will result in vehicles of unprecedented mobility. This is why we call our products Ultimate Mobility Vehicles, or UMVs. I'm really excited to show you something we've been working on, but before I do, there are a couple of things I'd like to mention. First is Hyundai Motor Group's vision, which is Together for a Better Future. This represents our commitment to customer satisfaction, responsible growth, and respect for people and the environment. Second is Hyundai Motor Group's mid to long-term strategy, which is to become a smart mobility solution provider. We recognize the opportunities presented by new technologies and new business models. We also recognize the importance of understanding the changing needs of current and future customers. For me and my team at New Horizons Studio, these aren't mere words. These are the very fabric of what we think and do. And now, I'd like to introduce our latest UMV concept. The new concept is called Tiger, which stands for Transforming Intelligent Ground Excursion Robot. The version I'm showing here is called Tiger X1, where X stands for experimental. Tiger is a modular platform similar to Elevate, our first UMV revealed at CES 2019. Now, the two have many similarities. They both can transform from four-wheel drive to four-legged walking. They're both designed to travel over complex terrain, exceeding the limits of even the most capable off-road vehicles. The main difference is that Tiger is designed to operate without an onboard crew. It's an autonomous platform that can carry various types of payloads such as materials, goods, or instrumentation. Tiger X1 has a symmetric design, so it can travel backwards as easily forwards, to the left or right as it does forwards or backwards. Its body is modular, so Tiger can perform different missions. Goods delivery in urban settings, transport of critical supplies in remote areas, or carrying sensors and instruments to work as a mobile science platform. The benefit of having leg-wheel locomotion means that Tiger can keep the payload more level than vehicles with conventional suspensions when traveling over uneven terrain or climbing over obstacles. But when the terrain is not so complex, Tiger's legs can retract, transforming it into an all-wheel drive vehicle, its most efficient mode. If it ever gets stuck, Tiger can use its walking capabilities to keep moving where other vehicles can't. To get to inaccessible or remote locations, Tiger can connect to an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV. The two vehicles can also work together. For example, the UAV can fully recharge Tiger's batteries, or vice versa, depending upon the situation. At New Horizons Studio, we're taking an open innovation approach to development. One of our partnerships is with Autodesk. Tiger X1 fuses Autodesk's design and manufacturing expertise with Hyundai's R&D capabilities in new mobility. Our teams have worked together to create lightweight but strong structures. The legs, wheels, chassis, and even its tires have been designed for additive manufacturing. Another partnership is with Sundberg Farrar, a product innovation and concept design firm in the Detroit metro area. Through these partnerships, we have built Tiger X1. Closer to home, Tiger and Elevate are part of a joint vision from Hyundai Motor Group and New Horizons Studio. This vision will see us shape the future of mobility and bring forward-thinking leadership from all parts of the world. In this future, there are some really amazing machines. In urban centers, you'll be able to ride an electric aircraft that take off and land vertically for safe and fast commuting. On the ground, purpose-built vehicles will provide clean and efficient transportation of both people and goods. And at the individual level, there will be wearable robotics for health, safety, or mobility applications. I believe that vehicles with robotic legs will see many applications. For example, it could assist first responders in dangerous or extreme situations. In everyday life, it can be designed into a robotaxi. Such a vehicle could position itself to make it easy for wheelchairs or carts to roll in. Beyond the Earth, future versions of Tiger or Elevate could be used to explore the surface of the Moon or another planet. At New Horizons Studio, we are broadening conventional thinking around vehicular mobility. We are rethinking how vehicles are designed and built. Concepts like Tiger and Elevate and the technologies underpinning them give us an opportunity to push our imaginations in new directions. It's been my pleasure to introduce Tiger X1 from New Horizons Studio. Thank you.